all dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your like problem on Facebook. So if you just Facebook just block for you likes, so how you can do it? So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just you need to know that it's a temporary action. So you just temporary block for liking someone on Facebook. So mostly you just need to wait some time until you will be able for liking again someone on Facebook. And also you can try to go to the settings, and in the settings you can change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. So just try to use mobile data. And if you use mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your network. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. It will restore your network.